This is Quentin Lowe, CSC 110, Winter 2019, Mr. Wellman. And this is homework 4, exercise 5. So I start by importing the turtle module and creating the turtle screen and naming the turtle. Then I set the turtle speed to 0 so it can draw more quickly. And for the first drawing, I create this function spiral, and n is the number of lines that are drawn in the spiral, and SZ is the amount that the line segment gets longer each time. That way the turtle will make a spiral shape because it's getting longer each time. So I set the range to n so that it draws that many lines, and turn angle is 90, so it'll turn like to make a square shape almost. And SC times I is used so that I is the number of times it's been in the loop, and SC is how much longer it's supposed to get. That way it'll increase by SC each time. So you can see the turtle is rotating 90 degrees each time, and the line gets longer every time the turtle turns. So for the rotated spiral, the code is similar, but the turn angle is less than 90 degrees so that the spiral will rotate, but the line length increases by the same amount, and everything else is the same in the code. So when we run this one, we can see how since the turtle's not rotated 90 degrees each time, it doesn't make a regular square, and it creates this curved section.